Good morning, all the students and viewers. Today, I am discuss about the topics Kapelars law of planetary motion.
1610 1610 he gave the law he gave the laws not a law of planetary motion planetary motion he gave the planetary motion and come to conclusion and formulation of these laws of the laws of the three laws of these laws or not only perfect of give or of the three laws laws uh, laws of three laws formulation of three laws is known as Kapelars laws of planetary motion. He defined the three type of laws. At first, he discussed about the motion of planet, and also he discussed radial vector or radial velocity. And third law, finally he conclude third law related to the elliptical orbit major axis. Time period is related to major axis. He gave three laws. At first we'll try to discuss first law. Try to discuss first law. A concept of planet revolving around the sun. How planets are revolving around the sun is the main conclusion of first law. uh, every planet revolving around the sun sun in an elliptical orbit in such a way that sun remains at one of the foci. This law finally gave the concept of planet how revolving around the sun. This law gives the concept of the shape of the shape of the orbit shape of the orbit while w while planets revolving around the sun revolving around the sun sun and also is not fulfilled laws of planetary motion. He gives also second laws about the radial vector. Radial vector always shift out of equal area, equal interval of time. That is, look the figure. Mm, Look the figure. Uh, is the center point. Uh, Two planet revolving around the sun. Its sun. Oh, E passes through a area, that area, equal interval of time. Equal interval of shift the area equal interval of time. Equal dA by dt is equal to constant. Radial velocity is always constant. It means equal area. Provide equal area, equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. Uh, we will try to discuss second law in own course and own definition. uh, Second law, the radius factor run from sun to planet. The radius factor run from sun to planet planet swept out equal area swept out equal area in equal interval of time that is the aerial velocity. The aerial velocity is constant. Aerial velocity is constant. dA by dt is equal to constant. That is second law. Is the second law gave the how the planet traveling, passing and revolving around the sun. That is the concept of second law. And try to discuss third law. Look, third laws give the time period. How time period is changed, how time period is traveled. This law is clear. It is related to only for time period. Time period is related to the elliptical path, that is that elliptical path of the major axis. The main major axis time period is directly related to major axis. How that law is clear? Third law is clear. Kepler third law is clear. Look at the square of the time period of the revolution, square of the time period of revolution of planets around the sun, around the sun is directly proportional to the is directly proportional to the cube of same major axis of same major axis of the elliptical path semi major axis of the elliptical path, that is tau, that is time period. It is the symbol of time period. Tau square is directly proportional to the semi major axis cube of the semi major axis is the semi major axis of ellipse is the time period. Time period is directly related to semi major axis. Thirdly is finally we'll discuss these things. If the students I requested, please subscribe this channel and share this video. I will try to discuss many things after this. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.